Merry Christmas. I hope this message finds you filled with joy and love and friendship and having a wonderful time this holiday season. You have been so wonderful to me. I want to say thank you for being there, for encouraging me and keeping me going and making me laugh with your comments. I so appreciate you following along. It's been such a pleasure, and I feel so blessed to have you in my life. And I pray that this entire next year is filled with blessings for each of you. Have a fantastic holiday. And, I can't let this go without giving you one more creative tip before the end of the year. What do you do when you have unexpected folks coming and you don't have a stocking for them? Well, pull out the Christmas oven mitts. And we have cute little wooden ornaments we're going to color in with markers and put names on them and fill them with some goodies. So if you have any last minute arrivals, you know what to do. Have a fantastic, wonderful Merry Christmas. Thank you so much.